At Spreadsheet Solutions, I've made many spreadsheets, some to help you monitor the performance of your staff, and some to track your staff attendance, who was sick when and who's on leave. We have some for a charity, trying to monitor the efforts of their fundraisers, or an advisor of sorts, tracking when they need to follow up with their clients. There is also a CRM system to track your clients' activities and monitor your actions and responsibilities, specifically designed for VAs. Or one to see reports of your data exports, so you can make sense of them in order to determine the correct course of action. Are you a freelancer who needs to monitor your jobs, time spent working and invoices? Or do you make hampers and need a simpler way of working out costs and determining products and prices? Do you need to monitor simple projects and produce KPIs of completed tasks? Or do you need to project manage more complex projects and see an overall view on a Gantt chart? Well, we have a spreadsheet for all of these requirements, and those are just some of the standard products. We specialize in creating bespoke solutions specifically made for you. So what is it that you need to achieve, and how can we help you? Get ready to keep calm and use our spreadsheets.
And now, if you would rather outsource the work, I provide a virtual assistant service to put your spreadsheets to good use. Why not inquire and see how we can save you time and effort?